From the one and only, this is a Local 10 News Update, sponsored by FHIA, Florida Home Improvement Associates.
Good afternoon, I'm Christy Kruger. Here's a look at some of the stories making news on this Monday, March the 16th. There are brand new restrictions in effect in South Florida. Miami-Dade Mayor Carlos Jimenez says he has ordered all bars and nightclubs and restaurants across the county to close by 11 o'clock each night. All venues must reduce their capacities as well by 50% with a maximum limit of 250 people. The mayors of Miami Beach and Fort Lauderdale also announcing that restaurants, bars, and non-essential business have to close by 10 o'clock. Governor Ron DeSantis is also announcing some new measures to help the spread of the coronavirus. The governor said he is sending the National Guard here to Broward County, which is now the county with the most cases in Florida. He also said the state is working in partnership with Memorial Healthcare Systems to have drive-through testing available just as soon as possible. At last check, there are 36 cases in Broward and 13 in Miami-Dade. And Miami International Airport is one of only 13 airports across the country where people are allowed to fly in from Europe right now. People arriving at MIA say the process has been pretty smooth, but travelers arriving at other airports claim they've had to wait in small rooms with hundreds of people for hours to be screened for symptoms, despite the social distancing recommendations. And Governor DeSantis said the travel advisories could soon extend to domestic flights.
Be an authority on weather with the new Local 10 Weather Authority app. Live interactive radar, live streaming forecasts, futurecast, lightning tracker, and more. Activate weather alerts and select weather from unlimited locations. Be a part of the Weather Authority team. Drop pins of weather-related photos or video. The power to know weather conditions anywhere. And it's completely free. Download or update the Local 10 Weather Authority app now. Search WPLG in the App Store.
A TSA officer at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport has tested positive for COVID-19. The agency said the officer is in isolation and is receiving medical care. They're advising all other officers who came in contact with that person to self-quarantine for 2 weeks. Authorities are monitoring that situation. All checkpoints are operating as usual for now. And as breaking news happens, we have you covered on air and online. Head to local10.com for more local news coverage and updates all day long.